Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a lovely day and that you are doing well. I'm here with little Alice and Dinah, and in today's video we're going to be sharing a look at two new Pandora charms in my Pandora collection. Both of these charms are Disney Park exclusive charms that were found in Disneyland, and I'm very excited to share a look at them with you. If you are new to the Pandora Disney World, Disney Park exclusive Pandora charms, you can actually only find them at Disney parks and sometimes only specific Disney parks, so specific to Disneyland Pandora charms, specific to Walt Disney World, that kind of thing. So these ones, one of them just came out, I think it was a couple months ago, a month ago. I can't even remember. School has just been so busy and time has just flown by. But both of these were on my wish list and I was able to pick them up, and I'm so excited to share a look at them with you. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm actually enjoying this really lovely lemon meringue tea from my Amoda tea subscription box for the month of May. I actually just filmed a little video making this tea and it is so delicious. I am enjoying it so much, and I think these two are we're just having a nice lovely afternoon. So hopefully we can send some of this nice kind of relaxing afternoon vibes over to you. And without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's Pandora haul video. We're going to unbox the Disney by Pandora charms, and here is a look at them. So I got the new updated version of the It's a Small World charm. I do have the original, and this one I just had to get. It captured my heart. And then I also got the new Disneyland charm, and you can see both of them here. They have beautiful enamel detailing on them, as well as cubic zirconia, and of course they're sterling silver charms. I love the clock tower face. It's so cute. And the D for Disneyland. And then when you turn them around on the It's a Small World charm, it says Hello World, and it says Disney in tiny letters on the bottom. And then on the Disneyland one, it says gorgeous black and gold. Now the gold detailing is almost glitter-like. It's so pretty. The Disneyland Sleeping Beauty Castle is done in black enamel, and it kind of pops off from that gold backdrop. Here's another close-up look at the Hello World, where you can see all the different enamel colors. It's a black backdrop, and I almost wish it was more of I don't know, another kind of pastel or white backdrop. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Here's a look at the side detailing. They're kind of like little diamond cutouts that go around. You can see them here. And you see little bits of the cubic zirconia that kind of twirl around the charm on the sides. Here's another little look on where you can find the hallmark. So it says the S925 ALE, and you can see the little bits of movement. They really catch the light, by the way, with the cubic zirconia. They're really pretty. I'm hoping to do a little mini design with them, maybe just with a little dangle in between them. I'm not sure yet. Gonna think about it, play around with some design ideas. Again, here's another look at the hallmarks where you can find them. And now let's take them out of the box. They're really cute. I love how they look in the little Pandora box when you ever unbox them. It's so cute. And here's a look at them outside of the box. So again, a beautiful look at the Disneyland D with a little Disney detail on the bottom. And then we also have the clock tower face of It's a Small World. It's so cheerful. It has little gold detailings too, and that fun pop of purple with the white. Anyway, that is it for today's Pandora charm haul unboxing. I hope you enjoyed seeing the two new charms in my Pandora collection. Do you have either of these charms in your collection? Please let me know down below. I'm really excited to style with these. As mentioned, I'm thinking of doing a mini design with both of them, but I could definitely see them going on to a brand new full completed charm bracelet design too. I just don't know what that is yet, but so I think right now it'll just be a mini design, but cannot wait to style with these. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more Pandora bracelet design videos, even tea videos, fashion videos, that sort of thing. And I hope you all have a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys.